You're going to press C to add a circle shape to your design. We're going to make this a bright red. Then we're going to reduce the circle and squeeze it and make it smaller. To zoom in so that we can control our design, we can do that. Then we duplicate the shape, and the second circle we're going to make it white because we want beautiful gaps on our design. Once we're happy, we group these and we duplicate. Then we make it a little bit bigger. Just make it smaller like that. And the second shapes, just squeeze it a little bit and then duplicate that so that it's the same size, and then reduce it to make a gap. Group the two, align it on our best shape. Duplicate, make the circle bigger, align it and send it to back. Duplicate, make it bigger, align it, send it to back.
Silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. It's the world honestly burning, that's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.
Cool. Once you're done, you add the name. Let's add a name. Let's use this Aprila font that we found on Canva and add a name.
And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop.
Cool. Once you are done, you're going to download our V-shaped Twirly Delights logo with a transparent background as a PNG, and you download it. Lovely. Once it's downloaded, you're going to add it right back on Canva. So you're going to go to your downloads and add it to your designs. Lovely. Then you're going to click on edit photo, and if you use the latest Canva's background remover, let's use it to try and take away the whites. It doesn't take away the whites, therefore we're just going to revert to the old editor because Canva's editors is really good. It takes all the pixelation away quite nicely. Not like the free tool that we use, www.remove.bg. So with the old editor, you're able to take away the whites. Like so. See, my lines are now gone, so I can restore them by going to restore and then just painting back on where the lines were. Once I'm happy, I click on done, click on apply, and your logo is beautiful. It's done. It's twirly, and you can easily convert it to 3D using Photopea. So we're going to download page 2 with a transparent background. Pick a mockup that you want to use and then just add your 2D on there and convert it to 3D. How much fun was that? If you want to continue having these awesome fun videos creating logos using shapes on Canva, go visit our playlist. I will see you on our next video.